Radhe Radhe, Jai Shri Krishna. You have the right to work, but never to the fruit of work. What it means? Bhagavad Gita, chapter 2, verse 7. Bhagavad Gita, chapter 2, verse 47. This Bhagavad Gita teaches one of the most important principles of life, that is Karma Yoga, the path of selfless action. You are entitled to perform your duties. The verse begins by saying that every person has a right to perform their work. Only right to perform their work. You must put it sincere efforts, discipline and responsibility in whatever task you take up. Your work is your choice and your obligation, but you are not entitled to the results. The Gita reminds us that although we can control our actions, we cannot always control the outcome. Results depend on many factors: circumstances, other people, timing, environment, destiny, etc. Therefore, attachment to results creates anxiety, disappointment, and stress. So, what we have to do? Focus on effort, not outcome. The message is to give your best efforts without worrying about the success or failure. When we focus only on results, we lose peace of mind. But when we focus on the process, we work with clarity and dedication. Do not let the result become your motive. Sri Krishna advises that do not let your expectations to be reason for action. If the desire of the reward becomes your main motive, then your work becomes selfish, stressful, and incomplete. So do not become attached to inaction. Some people avoid doing work because they fear failure. Sri Krishna warns that inaction is also wrong, but must continue to act without worrying about the fruits. The essence is work with dedication, accept results with balance. The verse teaches mental balance. Do your duty sincerely, put in your honest efforts. Whatever results come, accept them calmly. Do not get overjoyed with success nor depressed with the failure. This attitude leads to peace, stability, and inner freedom. Radhe Radhe, Jai Krishna.